Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video for the college mechanical engineering master degree for winter and summer semester, and this will be our episode number 12. In the previous video, we also checked the episode number 11, where we talked about requirement analysis to dump start, and we also got to know that we have missed the deadline and we will be waiting for winter semester. Today, like that, we will be doing one more requirement analysis for advanced industrial engineering in Rosenheim Technical University of Applied Science in Rosenheim, and this will be for winter semester. And as we included also winter semester because there will be also application opening soon enough for winter semester, that's the reason I included that. So we will also check the requirement analysis of this, what are the requirements that you need to know when the application deadline is opening, and we will also make a list when the application is open. Then we will also make application video. Before we get started with requirement analysis video, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're new to this channel, you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first, understand the requirements, what are the German colleges that you can apply, and what are the documents that you need to have in order to apply for German university. After having all this information covered, at the end we also get to know what are the documents and what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get admission, and when is the deadline, where to apply. After all this information have been there, when the application deadline opens, then we also make the application video in the second part or in other parts. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me or you want me to apply for you, then you can always become YouTube member. Then I can help you to apply for you, or I can only directly apply with you. Without any delay, we'll get started. As I told you, today it will be advanced industrial engineering for Technical University of Applied Science. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and funding, requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see it's Master of Science degree and course location is in Rosenheim. Teaching language is English completely, and you can finish 100% of your course in English. The language of instruction is complete English, so no need to worry. And full-time, part-time, it is both possible, where you can also do full-time and you can also do part-time studies alongside with your work. While doing work also you can do. If you're doing full-time, then it will be 3 semesters. If you're doing part-time, then it will be double 6 semester. Beginning of semester is only in winter semester. This course is not available or offered in summer semester. So if you're a person who wants to apply in winter semester, then the application starts from 15th April and ends in 30th April, which is only open for 15 days for the following winter semester. And there is also a guide and how to check official page. You can also do this, but I'm just saying it is applying or starting in 15th April, ending in 30th April. So you have to be quick enough to apply for this particular college because the application window is only open for 15 days. And people who want to apply for this, if I forget, please comment it out or spam on 15th April. So we will also make video on how to apply for this particular course. Then additional information, the duration is 3 semester, full-time 6 semester is part-time. Part-time study along the work, dual education is also possible, blended learning approach, one campus learning combined with online components. Tuition fees is varied. For international students with non-EU countries, have the tuition fees of 500 euro per semester will be applied for summer semester 2026. So they have also started from this particular summer semester 2026, which people gonna start in March, or for the people who gonna start in winter semester 2026, you have to pay a tuition fees of 500 euros per semester. With this 500 euro, you have to also pay extra of your student contribution, which will falls under 300. That you will get information in tuition fees more. But yeah, it will be counts up to 800 euro up to in your every semester. That will be your tuition fees. Then combined degree program is not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. And this is the description and content. What are the things that they are teaching, why this course is good, and why you have to choose it. But we will get the more information in course details, where you will also get the module handbook and all. So they have not specifically mentioned everything. So if you need full information, you can also look at here, but it's a general thing that they have mentioned, that the master degree is advanced in industrial engineering, combines elements of engineering, business administration with new approaches, sustainable concept with new digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, data science, collaborative robotics, well as augmented, virtual and mixed reality. And yeah, the degree is in English, prepares students for international requirements, enabling students to acquire excellent teaching or technical knowledge in English skills. In course details, the international elements are training in intercultural skills, language training provided, where you will also get language training for German, because learning German is very key point after you get or go into market to find a job, because otherwise it will be very difficult for you usually if you don't have German language skills. Integrated internship. There is no mandatory internship. However, curriculum involves a close connection with local companies in many ways. So local companies usually know this particular college because it is a TU, Technical University of Applied Science. Usually Technical University of Applied Science, usually it will be known from companies which are local. So you can also apply there for voluntary internship. You will be also get your voluntary internship. When you get your voluntary internship, after your second semester, you have to take a Urlaub semester and do your internship. It's not like you can't do it after your thesis. So please don't do that. Then course specific integrated German language course is possible. Course specific integrated English language course is not there, but German language course is there. I suggest you guys to take and finish up to B1. Then it will be very much helpful for you to get a job once you finish your degree. And tuition fees is 500 as I told you, and the semester contribution is 97 euros. So altogether it will count up to 597 or 600 euro for your tuition fees. That is your semester contribution plus your tuition fees. Every semester you will pay 600, which is negligible, because in this 600 euros you will also get your Deutschland ticket. With this Deutschland ticket you can travel entire Germany for free. Then cost of living. Each student needs to have about 992 euros per month, but this is just a average amount that they have estimated in this Rosenheim. But for non-EU people it doesn't matter, because when we are applying for visa you have to fulfill 11,904 euros in total. That is for first year, and this first year money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. So in this monthly euros you have to survive. If you're surviving well under, then it is good. If you're experiencing more, then you need to find a part-time job where you can also manage your expenses. But this is only for first year. After second year, when you want your visa extended, either you have to show your blocked account again, or you have to show your any of the work contract or any of the part-time jobs that you have got. So by then the visa authorities will know, okay, he has some suitable amount of money to get rid of his second year and until you find a job. Admission requirements. In order to get into this particular Technical University of Rosenheim, what are the things that you need to possess in order to get admission? A bachelor degree in industrial engineering, an equivalent qualification obtained in Germany or abroad with a grade of 2 or higher required. So this usually 2 means you need to have a bigger requirement. So it will counts up to around 7.8, 7.9 and 8. You need to have minimum 8 CGPA, I guess, in order to come under 2. So make sure you have a well or very good CGPA in order to apply for this particular course. If you are under 2, you can also check via TUM official grade converter. I have showed you so many times. If you are under 2, then please don't apply. You will get a rejection. But if it is a free application, then take a chance, because you are not losing anything. You will just get an exposure of how your application is and other things if it is free. Then the language requirement is English B2 you need to have. Then it would be 6.5 and above. You can just see here, whenever they say TELC or IELTS B2, it would be 6 and above. So 6.5 or 6 and above. So that is also minimum requirement. You need to have 6 higher, and you need to have very good grade below 2, which will count up to 7.8, 7.9 or 8 and above. So please make sure that your CGPA is well and good. Application deadline, we already know, 15th April to 30th April for following winter semester, and you can just check in the Rosenheim official page, and here you can also see the step-by-step procedure how to do it. If you are a person who have obtained university entrance qualification outside Germany, then we have to apply via UniSS, that is us. Because we are not considered to be studied in Germany, that's the reason we are outsiders. Except people who have studied their bachelors in Germany, then they can use their portal. Otherwise, everybody has to come or apply through UniAssist. So it's cakewalk in university. I will make video on how to apply in UniAssist. You can just get to know that helpfully. But you have to make sure you comment it out on April 15th so that I will make video without forgetting. Possibility of finding part-time jobs. Once you get a university admission, then you will apply for a student visa. After getting student visa, you will come here. With that student visa, you are eligible to work 140 full days and 280 half days as a work student, research assistant, any of the technical jobs. If you don't find any of the technical jobs, you can also find or work as non-technical jobs, where you can work in restaurants or lager shops. But yeah, usually there is a wide job exchange. You can also check in this particular website. Then they will also have Stellenwork inside university, where you can also get Hiwi and all. accommodation. Whenever you get the admission, please go and check in the Rosenheim housing where you get cheaper accommodation. But if you don't get it, then you can check for private accommodation in Vegegesut or any of the Immobilier. Career service will be always there for international students, where you can get welcome event, tutor, culture and linguistic preparation. You can also get help for your visa matters, CV, job searching, everything. Then about the university, if you want to get to know about Rosenheim University, you can just go through. But yeah, as I told you many a times, in Germany, if you're studying in a public university, then don't worry, it's one of the reputed college. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in episode number 12 for advanced industrial engineering requirements analysis for Rosenheim Technical University of Applied Science. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we also get to know the application is starting on April 15. So when it will start, I will make a video on this. So see you next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye guys.